Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner. Today I have something super excited to share. I'm unboxing my brand new Cricut Maker 3 bundle from QVC. This was a Christmas gift and I know I was opening it quite a little bit late. But I'm so super excited. Plus, Cricut recently, I understand, came out with a new Cricut Maker 4, which can cut in under a minute. How crazy is that? But for now, let me just focus on this amazing Maker 3 bundle. So let's dive into it, and then I'm going to try to find the perfect space to store them in my craft room. Okay, as I'm getting into the box, you could see that I have 3 mats, that they included 3 mats, and these are light grip mats. And these are perfect for delicate materials like paper and vinyl. Next, they included the Cricut Basic Tool Set. So what's included in this set is scissors with a protective cover, a hook weeder for removing excess vinyl, scraper for cleaning your mats, a spatula to lift designs without tearing it, and hook tweezers for handling small pieces. So if you're just getting started, these tools come highly recommended. They make weeding and transferring designs so much easier. Moving on along, we have a glitter iron-on sampler and one roll of 12 by 48 inches transfer tape. Both are perfect for customizing fabric projects. Then we have the 12 by 12 easy press mat, which is super helpful for heating pressing projects. So on the side of the box, I also found a premium vinyl sampler. This is 12 by 12 inches, which is great for layering different colors. This is a variety pack of 12 different colors, and it says removable matte finish. So now packed separately is the Easy Press and the Cricut. So this smaller one is the Easy Press. I believe they have a latest version, which is the Easy Press 3. And I see that they have other colors out there. This total bundle, I think, was under $500. So I think it is worth the money for all that you get. You got materials to start you out with. You could practice on the vinyl that they give you. And it's not like you invest in money, additional money for vinyl and different different colors, and then you end up, especially to start, end up making mistakes and you waste vinyl. But you get the vinyl to start with. You could practice and learn and make mistakes as you go with the practice materials that you have. This is like, I think it's 12 by 10 inches, and it came in red and white. So if you guys are new to my channel and you like these kind of videos, you like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. So next up, the moment you've been waiting for is the Cricut Maker 3, and it comes, this one, I think it comes in a nice sleek light gray color. Speaking of cutting machines, I also have a Brother Scan and Cut, which works a bit differently from the Cricut Maker. While the Cricut relies on design space and precise blade pressures, the Brother Scan and Cut has a built-in scanner that allows you to cut out images directly from hand-drawn sketches or printed designs. It's great for certain projects, but I think I'm going to like the Cricut more because of the versatility and the ability to work with so many different tools. And plus, I had the Cricut Joy, and I think it was so much user-friendly than the Brother Scan and Cut. So that's why I requested it as one of my Christmas gifts. If you have ever used both tools, let me know in the comment down below which one you like better. If you guys haven't seen my full video tour of my craft space, I'm going to try to leave that in the description box down below so you could check it out if you want to see my full craft space. This machine is heavy. I think they say it weighs like 15.4 pounds, but it is really heavy. They said that this Cricut is built to cut over 300 materials, including fabric, leather, and even balsa wood. And it also has adaptive tool technology, meaning you can swap out tools for different functions like engraving, debossing, and scoring. And one thing I love about this machine is that it has a built-in compartments. There's a handy little storage tray for your tools, like the tools they provided in this bundle, and extra compartment on top for easy access. Also included in this box is the Cricut Let's Get Started packet, which comes with a test piece of vinyl to practice with, along with the registration and warranty papers. They recommend, if you're new to Cricut, they highly recommend completing the test cut, and that's a great way to get familiar with your machine. Now I'm unboxing the 12 by 10 inch Cricut Easy Press 2, which comes in white and red. It even comes with a streamlined safety base to protect surfaces from heat, and it does cover for safe storage. This Easy Press 2 is designed for iron-on and sublimation projects, offering even heat distribution and precise temperature control, unlike a household iron which has uneven heat spots. The Easy Press ensures consistent result. It heats up quickly and reaches temperatures of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for professional quality transfer. It also has an auto shut off feature for added safety. And they also have an Easy Press 3, that's the latest that's out. And I guess they say the Easy Press 3 is similar in design, but comes via Bluetooth to the Cricut Heat app, which helps guide users through temperature and time settings. While the Easy Press 3 add more convenience, the Easy Press 2 is still a fantastic option for reliable and manual heat pressing. And this is the little mat that it comes with, Easy Press heat mat. And this is why I store it right here. I'm going to keep it in the package because I have a little hook on there. So I'm just going to store it right there on those stackable bins that I got from Target. And then here in my 3-tier caddy, I'm just going to clean off the second shelf, and that's where I'm going to store the actual Easy Press machine. Now moving on to another awesome tool I got for Christmas, which will perfectly complement my cutting machines. The Canon Pixma model TS8820. This printer is a great addition to my craft room, and some of the reasons why is, first, it's a wireless inkjet printer and it's perfect for printing images, photos, and designs that I want to cut out with my Cricut. One of the reasons I went with this model is because it prints from the top, which is so much better for crafting projects. A lot of the printers out there print from the bottom, which can cause the paper to curl and distort the images, especially when you're working with heavier material or specialty papers. This printer has borderless printing, meaning you can print edge to edge and photo paper custom my size sheet, which is perfect for Cricut projects. Plus, it's equipped with 6 individual ink cartridges for high quality color prints, which is amazing when you want vibrant and precise prints for your craft. Another feature that I really appreciate is the compact design. It doesn't take up much space on my craft desk and looks sleek with its modern matte finish. So I'm storing it on top of my 3-tier wired basket drawer for easier access, and it's the perfect height to work with my Cricut projects. Speaking of organization, I'm also storing my mats on a command hook behind the printer. I got this wall shelving from IKEA in the clearance section as is a long time ago. I'm going to make it into a riser, and this is a total game changer for my craft room because it allows me to make the most out of the space on my countertop. The riser gives the Cricut Maker some height while keeping my tools organized underneath, which frees up space for other supplies. To make my storage even more efficient on my countertop, I added a divider underneath the riser. This helps to separate the space, make it easier to keep things organized instead of having everything just being stacked together. With the divider in place, I have one side dedicated to my Cricut tool caddy, which keeps all my tools like the weeder, the scraper, and the spatula neatly stored but still within easy reach. And then on the other side, I have extra space for other accessories. I could store stuff like extra vinyl, extra transfer tape. The divider is a simple but effective way to keep my supplies from shifting around and getting messy. Without it, everything would just slide together under the riser, but now everything has its own designated space, making my workflow smoother and my craft area look much more put together. Now that I have my Cricut Maker set up, I had to decide where to store my tools. The machine has that built-in storage compartment which is great for keeping things organized. But after trying it out, I realized that I actually prefer storing the tools in my caddy instead. This way I could easily move all the craft tools in the caddy from one craft spot to the next, whether it's at my Cricut station, my work table, or across the room. Now on to another amazing Christmas gift that I got. The We Are Memory Keeper Cinch Book Binding Tool. This is a fantastic tool for making custom notebooks, planners, and journals. If you love DIY stationery, this is definitely a must-have. The cinch comes in a beautiful white design with black and pink accent, which looks so stylish in my craft space. At first, I considered storing it on my countertop, but it looked too cluttered and I think that it took up too much space. Since I like to keep my work area nice and clear, I decided to store it inside my cabinets under the counter. This way it's tucked away, but still easy to grab when I need it because it's right on the middle island where I usually do my crafting. Thank you guys for tuning into today's video. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. So this is how the countertop looks afterward.